Hello guys, how are you? It is the last part of this video, which is a Colorado Spring car accident. It is the last part. I think so that you can experience all these video, a small video, long video, and you can judge which type of video you want. Many topics covered lengthy video, and many topics covered small video. So give me a space to make it as my choice, and it is the easy way to deliver my opinion and the history of these lawyers accident, and which type of lawyer you want. So it is easy to me to deliver authentic topics and authentic conversation delivered to you. So let's start our part, proving negligence or fault. A Colorado Spring car accident lawyer can help. Every car crash happens for a reason. In general, car accident lawyer don't like to use the word accident because it connotes an idea no one was at fault. In reality, there's always fault in a motor vehicle wreck. Whether it was driver negligence or a crash involving bad weather, the blame will always go somewhere. The tricky part of being Colorado Springs car accident lawyer is negligence, what share of fault each driver has. The shared responsibilities in an accident ultimately decide what kind of compensation a client will receive. In Colorado, certain states and laws lay out how to distribute fault in a car wreck. We will talk about them more below. Proving negligence in a Colorado court. Anything laid out in the duty of car care statute can be the basis of proven fault in car accident. Was the driver a pedestrian bicycle rider exemplifying a reasonable pattern of behavior in this situation? That's the question a court of insurance company will ask when reviewing the details of the accident. No doubt liability. There are situations where the accident leaves no doubt as to who is at fault. Failures to yield accident and draw and collisions fall into this category, as do drunk living and distracted driving accidents. Comparative negligence, based on their investigation done by law enforcement and the insurance adjuster. Both drivers involved in an accident will share fault in an accident. The fault will decide a long percentage. So, for example, a driver can be found 40% at fault for an accident. If you are found to be more than 50% at fault in an accident, you will not be able to receive compensation for your accident. What damage can be claimed? The word damage can encompass a number of different areas when it comes to accident and injury claim. Recoverable damages can include the repair made to your car or any suffering you endure from an accident. These damages are sorted into two categories: economic and non-economic damages. Economic damages are any amount of compensation that can be calculated down to the exact dollar amount. Medical expenses, future medical expenses, lost earnings, vehicle repair. Where a Colorado Spring car accident lawyer can come in handy is fighting for non-economic damages. These less concrete damages can be challenging to prove in court because of the unavailable receipts and number figure. Pain and suffering. loss of affection or companionship, emotional distress. Injuries associated with Colorado car accident. The injuries after a car accident range in severity when dealing with these injuries. The most important thing in listening to your medical professional and following through with all the necessary treatment. Don't ever put anything in a car accident claim above your personal well-being. Car accident injuries in Colorado come in a variety of forms, but these are the more common and often catastrophic injuries suffered by car accident victims. SLAP tears. SLAP actually stand for superior lateral anterior posterior. It's referred to the tear that stretches from the front or to the back of the cartilage on the inner portion of the shoulder joint. In sports, we see baseball players and quarterbacks suffer this injury because of the repetitive throwing motion in their shoulders. In a car accident, you can damage your labrum by absorbing the accident impact while clutching the steering wheel. Those who suffer these injuries will immediately feel pain in their shoulders along with popping noise and the loss of overhead motion. Con- Concussion and MBTI. Any impact on the head, no matter how severe, can lead to a conclusion. That is in itself is the definition of a conclusion, but the diagnosis and treatment of the one aren't as simple. The headache, odd sleeping pattern, seizure, and mood changes can take days to become visible, but nausea, ringing sound in the ear, and loss of conclusions can happen right after the accident. Most severe conclusions fall under the traumatic brain injury category, which can lead to cognitive dysfunction much longer for the accident. Back spinal cord. Back and spinal cord injuries are an umbrella for many specific injuries suffered in a car accident. Motor vehicle collisions can lead to fractures, joint injuries, disc herniation, spinal stenosis, and many problems that can debilitated a victim for months. These injuries often wind up the most costly for those who suffer them. The time spent away from work and the amount of physical therapy needed to recover. Whiplash injuries and most exclusive associated with the car wreak. A whiplash occurs when the head moves back and forth at a violent pace. You will immediately know. Have you experienced whiplash when you feel the pain weep over your neck and back also, along with the dizziness? Most of the time, whiplash injuries heal in a week or two. Other times, uh, whiplash can be more severe and cause memory loss, blood version, and sleep apnea. It is also a long video, that's why I'm end it because in I start of the video I'm telling you that it is the end of the video, but it is not the end of this video. I will continue uh, this topic in next video because that is a lengthy video. So that first or second part, I'm making sure that if I'm not making sure that it is covered in the three parts, but I will start the fourth part in next video. Tata, bye bye.